So here we have a program to perform write operation in file. So in the first line of this program, we have asked user to enter number of entries he want to save in a file. Then in next line of this program, we have declared file object and call open function to open student.dat file in write mode, as we have specified W, which is for the write mode. Then in next line, we have for loop in which I is a counter variable which take value from the range function, and here count is passed as the argument in a range function. So if count is 5, then I will take value from 0 to 4. So within function, just we ask user to enter the detail of a student like roll number, name, marks. Then just we have concatenated all the values roll number, name and marks and store it into a rec variable. Then just we call the write function, and as write function is called by the file object file obj, and this file obj is linked with the student.dat file, so it will write the content of rec in a student.dat file. And at last we have closed the file using the close function. So when I will run this program, it will ask for how many student records you want to enter. Suppose I will enter 2 here. So it will ask for the details of a student. So here I have asked enter roll number 1, then name as a John, then marks 98. Then it will ask for the second entry of the second student. Then I will enter here roll number 2, then name as a Steve and marks as a 87. So now I have entered the values for the two records. So the program finished successfully. Now just I want to see whether it is written in the file or not. So here we have entered two records. First roll number 1 and name as a John and marks as a 98, and second is the roll number 2 Steve and 87. So it is written here perfectly. Now if I want to enter some more record in this file and just I need to run this program again, so again it will ask for the how many student record you want to enter. Suppose I need to enter only one more record, so I have put here 1, and again it will ask for the detail of a student, so I enter here roll number 3, then and marks as 94. So when I will enter this record, the previous two record get dropped. So what happened here? Here, as we have opened this file in a write mode, so in write mode, when we open the file in a write mode, the previous content of a file get dropped. So as I need here to append the records, just I need to add some more record in a file. So for that purpose, we have one more mode of that is the append mode. And in append mode, just we can add some more record in a previously present file. So here I have written here A, and when I will run this program again, so it will ask for the how many students record you want to enter. Suppose I enter only 1, and I have written here as a roll number 1, then John, then marks as a 98. Now this is written in the file. So when we will check the file student.dat, so When I open the file in a append mode, so the previous content of the file will not get dropped. The previous record entry which was present in a file was a roll number 3 Matthew 94. So it will not get deleted, and just we have successfully added one more record in a file. So to perform the write operation, we have a two mode, write and append. In write mode, all the previous content get dropped. So if we need to add some more content in a file, so always we need to call the append. We need to open the file in a append mode. So I think it's clear to you. Thank you.